back to my channel, Be Your Best Beautifuls. I hope you guys are doing good. You guys are safe at your homes. The second wave has already hit India, specifically Maharashtra, and the case is not good here. Cases are rising day by day, and I hope you guys are safe at your homes. Take care of yourself and your family, and don't forget to have some fun as well. So today I'm here, and it's the wedding season, guys. Summer has already started, so is the wedding season. So I thought of doing a eye makeup look for you guys. So today I'm here and I'm going to show you a very beautiful soft brown smoky eyes. So this is the complete look, guys, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So this is a very simple, classy, soft brown smoky eye look, and it's a very simple look. Any of you guys can do it. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's start with the makeup. As you can see, I've applied my base really well, and I've also done my eyebrows. So let's start with the soft brown smoky eye tutorial. So for this particular tutorial, we need 3 shades. First, we need a nude shade or a very light brown shade. Next, we need a little bit darker shade of brown, and the last we need a black shade. So this is all you need for getting this amazing look, guys, and you can definitely replace the brown shade with some other color and it will become that smoky eye look. For example, if you use a blue color, it will be a soft blue smoky eye look. So let's start. So first we will need the nude shade. For nude shade, I'm using my Sugar Cosmetics Quad palette. Now this is the most amazing quad palette, guys. It has some beautiful colors. So I'm going to use this color right here. It's a beautiful nude color. I'm going to pick up some shade on a brush. I'm going to dab off the excess and I'm going to place it on the crease. So after that, I'm going to need a darker brown shade. Now this is not exactly dark brown. Now it's a little bit lighter shade, but I had this, so I had to work with this only. So this is my Color Essence. It's a single matte eyeshadow. If you can see, it's a very gorgeous color, and it's quite old, and that's why it looks like this. I've used it a lot, guys, so yeah. So I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to take color, and I'm going to pick up the color generously. Literally, I'm going to pick up the color. Here's the color, guys, and I'm going to place it all over the eyelid. Like, I'm going to literally dab it on the eyelid like this. So if you can see the difference, it's a very light, beautiful smoky brown eyes. Next, I'm going to take a black shade, and this is my Savannah Colors palette. I love this palette. It's the nudes palette from Savannah Colors. So I'm going to pick up the black shade. Now remember, guys, you need just a little bit of black shade because this is very intense. So this is a very soft eye look, so we did not want a lot of intense black color. So I'm going to just pick up a little bit. I mean, I'm not even kidding. You will see how much I pick. I'm going to lightly dab the brush over the shade like this. Just a little bit of, guys, not more. And I'm going to place it on the lid, but very close to the waterline. So just right in the middle, just to create a very nice black smoky effect. Just a little. So if you can see, I've placed it really little. So if you guys already have a very dark brown shade, you really need not this black color. You can use the darker shade of brown instead of this black color which I used at last. So this is how the eye turned out. So this is how the eye looks, guys. Now I'm going to take up a little bit of more of the black shade right here on the tip of the brush, and I'm going to very lightly, with very light handed, I'm going to line it below, just very gently guys, like this. And after this I'm going to pick up this shade right here, just a little bit, and I'm going to place it over the black line very gently. We just need a little bit of color below. Next I'm going to apply a brown kajal on my eyes. So if you guys do not have brown kajal with y'all, you can totally skip this step. So I'm going to line it on my waterline as well as on my tight line. Next step is to line my eyes. So I'm going to use my absolute favorite Lakme Absolute Shine Line. Now this is a matte eyeliner, so I'm going to do a very small wing from this liner. So I'm going to take some product and just line the eyes. The next step is to apply some mascara. So I'm going to use my Urban Color. It's a Modi Care product, guys. I'm going to use this mascara. This mascara is amazing, guys. You'll just see it right now. So I've completed one eye, guys. If you can see, it looks so gorgeous. It looks very natural, and I think it's one of the easiest makeup look that anyone can do. I think it looks really good. It looks classy, and yeah, so let me complete this eye and the rest of the makeup, and I'll see you soon. So this is what the complete look looks like. I think I absolutely loved the eye makeup. It's very classy, guys. It is a very simple eye look, and I have overall given a bronzy look. I have selected a very orangish and brown lipstick right here, and I absolutely love how this look overall turned out. You can carry this look to any weddings or casual parties or any kind of functions. I think this is a very chic look. You can go for it, guys. Hey guys, I wanted to give a closer look of this particular eye tutorial. So here is it. So I absolutely love this look, guys. I hope you love it too. And if you love this look, if you love this video, please like the video. It means a lot to me, and please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget supporting me like this always, and stay safe, guys, and take care. Bye.